2021 Toyota Tundra, just in an accident. The rains are good. Rains are money from heaven. So it looks like possibly they rear-ended somebody. They're taking apart the front. I'm recovering the refrigerant. Oh, they're taking it off the whole train, the whole vehicle too. They have to replace the frame. There lies the new frame for this truck right here, for this truck. The only damage, it was rear-ended. Seems Toyota has a problem on their little design here, and it's not even structural. Where the bumper attaches, when it gets hit and you have a trailer hitch, it buckles and bends these just a little bit. And for that little bit of repair right there that anybody can repair in their shop, and it's like, from here on is your structural and all your alignment points and anything to do with the squareness of the frame. From the buckle point after has nothing to do with anything I would consider safety or structural or alignment. It only has to do with the tail end of this little section that's like 9 inches long. It tweaks down a little bit sometimes in like that one, and they're going to replace the whole entire frame of this vehicle because of that little tiny damage. Rains are good. There's a lot of accidents. All the shops are overflowing with work. All right guys, I'll see you. Just recovered the refrigerant out of this one, YF, brand new. They'll throw that frame on there and I'll be called back to recharge it.